Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to show you how to bypass Cloudflare Protection. Now let's get started. First thing we need to understand to bypass Cloudflare Protection is to send requests directly to the origin IP address. One of the most common ways to bypass Cloudflare security check is to use Tor or a VPN. So VPN is a virtual private network that allows users to connect to the internet through a remote server. So it will make it very easy to bypass the Cloudflare security check. And here we can also use a proxy server. Proxy server acts as an intermediary between the user and the website, forwarding requests on behalf of the user. Cloudflare uses the user as a header to identify the type of browser or device that is making the request. So modifying the user as a header is also helpful. Or you can also use a custom script, as in you can try writing a custom script that automates the process of bypassing Cloudflare security check. Or you can use a CAPTCHA solver. So that is it. I hope this guide has helped you learn valuable knowledge about the Cloudflare's bot detection techniques and how to reverse engineer them, and ultimately how to bypass Cloudflare waiting room. So thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe if the video was helpful to you, and keep watching.